Hello, it's Jim Tech Buzz. We're back at the JBL Tune Flex. So we're going to talk about these quickly now. This is our last pair from JBL. So this is the cheapest pair out of the bunch that we've tested out, and they're not bad either. For the price, you can't go wrong. You've got a lot going on, and what's different is with this pair of, you know, they do look like AirPods, that kind of style. You get tips you can put on them as well. So you have two kinds of different approaches to them here, which will affect your music listening experience or audio listening experience, whichever way you want to put it. So these have got 12mm drivers, and they've got 4 mics, so they're great for calls, great for music, and nice bass. You've got the app as well though for all that stuff, but overall the call quality is pretty good, not muffled and decent, and calls were clear enough for me both ends during my testing. And you've got your smart ambience mode as well. You've IPX4 rating, and you've got up to 32 hours of battery life, 6 and 18 with the case, and 10 minutes will give you 2 hours, 10 minutes charge will give you 2 hours play. So they're nice and clean, as you can see, and a simple design, look well, and they fit really well too. And of course, as mentioned there, you've got the option to have a different seal with the tips. So that's something you need to check out, and it's the first time I've ever seen that actually coming with a pair of earbuds. So there's no lag latency or any stuff like that noted with testing these. Highs, lows, mids, they're all fine, nothing overlapped each other. Great audio experience given the price, what you're getting. Plus you've got your Google stuff built in too. So you can tap and hold on the right, so I have mine set up as for your message to be called out or to listen to whatever's there. So we're going to have a look at the app here now. So here's what you can see: open ear tips and ceiling tips. Ceiling ear tips. So there's 2 different settings, so you can find your best fit and get that sorted out, and you'll be away in a hack straight away. You've got your ANC, ambient aware and talk through, your equalizer, you've got your bass, your club, your studio. If you go in here, you've got all the rest of that stuff there too as well. You've got your audio mode and video mode for gaming as well. They're pretty decent too, it has to be said. You've got your voice aware there, which you can tune to whatever suits you best. Find your buds, of course, which is just find your buds. You can hear that coming from both sides there. So that's that. You should be all familiar with that now. Your power saving. So you've got your auto standby and power off there, which you can pick for yourself and whatever suits you. So here is inside the app again. It's pretty much the same idea, same setup here. And you've got your right there for double tap to skip, triple tap. So we go in here, we'll get the proper earbuds, double tap to skip, triple tap to go back. And these work really well, so you're just tapping up around there, and they've worked quite well for me through my testing. Not one of those earbuds where you'd be tapping more than what you need to be to get what you want done, or miss tapping if you want to put it in another form of word. So that's basically what that looks like there. So I'm going to go back into the app again. So in here you can see what's there. You can change all that. If your ambient sound, volume control, playback and none. And on the left side is the same again. You can change all that stuff in there, whichever suits you best. And of course I always use the right earbud for Google Assistant, which is quite handy and I love, which is built into these earbuds. But when you do set these up first, any of these new JBL earbuds, you'll get a prompt on your phone anyway to let you know that you can use a native app there. It'll say it'll bring you onto the app anyway, and you can set your assistant here, so your Google Assist, and you can use your native voice assistant as well. So that's pretty much how all that will work in there. So overall for the JBL Tune Flex, a pretty decent pair of earbuds for the price, I have to say. And I like the idea that you get the tips to pop on as well. Now I tried one both, and the tips are obviously going to give you a better seal than what you have here. But everyone's ears is different, so these are kind of a better kind of pair of earbuds for those with kind of those awkward ears. It's hard to find, because you have the option of having these in this manner, and then the addition to putting tips on them as well, which is really, really cool. And that's really about sums up the JBL Tune Flex. Really nice pair of earbuds for the price, decent battery life, and they look well. They're nice and clean, they're not going to get dirty too easy, and simple to use, and the tapping features are working very good. One of the best ones around so far that I've tested when you want to tap something that you're supposed to get done say, as you see in there, for skipping reversing tracks, you don't have to do any extra moves or any silly moves to get what you want, or they don't misinterpret what your inputs are using them. And that's really about it. And when you're finished, you just pop them back in the case, close them up, your LED lights up front, and job is done. So that's it for the JBL Tune Flex, the last of the earbuds so far from the company, which has been quite a few in here. We've had testing for the last while, and that's pretty much it. And this is a really cool idea, and a nice small pocketable case as well to pop in your pocket, which will fit in any pocket. It is one of the smallest ones of them all out there at the moment, and that's pretty much it for now. So we'll see you in the next video on technicalzone.com, and thanks for watching. And once again, thanks to JBL for getting in touch and sorting us out with all these earbuds and our products. We've a few here to show you still in our review portfolio, and other products as well, and check out for more coming soon. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.